Mrs. Nora Moranya Kundi, a teacher at Induru Girls, teaching history and government and CRE. I am the principal of the school, secretary to the board of management. I want to thank God. He has given us an opportunity to have visitors in our compound from our area member of parliament, Honorable Silvano Sosoro, who is the chief whip of the National Assembly in Kenya, represented by Mr. Varongo from the CDF office, who is the manager. I am also grateful that I have here Kaka Sungura from Hot TV. They have paid or cleared school fees for our student, Mary Kerubo, in Form 3 West. She had fees arrears of 30,500. We have really tried as a school to support her. I wanted to thank our area of parliament when he had this message from our student. He was able to pay 30,000, which has been paid through M-Pesa by Mr. Varongo, the CDF manager. Our area of parliament, Honorable Silvano Sosoro, may God bless you, may God protect you, and give you many days, so that in the future, when you listen to such cases, you can be able to lend a hand. We want to say as a school, wherever you got this money from, may God bless you fourfold, so that you will have next time to assist your people. Thank you so much. We also wanted to thank our government for picking our area member of parliament to be the chief whip. Now we are able to receive our blessing and we are proud of him. Thank you so much, our son. I want to go back to Hot TV. Kaka Sungura, we have been hearing about you. We have seen you move around villages. Today you are at Induru Girls. We count ourselves blessed. We have been seeing you from a distance through media. Today you have brought yourself because of your job. We also want to thank you. He has also paid for 41,100 shillings to school fees for this student for the year 2024. The request they have put on my table is that they have handed over the student to me. We should never send the student home. As the principal of the school and a teacher and a mother, I also want to promise that we are not going to send the student home. I'll take care of her. I am going to be a mentor. I will nurture her on behalf of the mother and the well-wishers. I wanted to confirm to you, Kaka Sungura, that your work is good. Keep it up. We wanted to say that may God protect you, enlarge your territory, and you rise to higher heights. Maybe you go to be one of the journalists in the world. I want to appreciate you, our well-wishers, for putting your hands in your pocket and you were able to raise the 41,100. To the parent, I want you to go back home. Know that your daughter now, I am going to be the surrogate mother. I'll take care of her, I'll guide her, so that even if she's going to score an A, I will try to nurture her, to give her a good character, through the support from heaven, so that he can have a future in this world and also in the world to come. Thank you so much. CDF office, South Mugirango, facilitated by our area member of parliament and Hot TV, Kakasungura, go with God.
Mwanjumuriria kuna nachika kokotebia principal yari nge school and I've come to discover na kaga gondo mugeni within this compound na ajire kumanya gallery sabikiria nali kongu. Ongera ziri story na korire for months na kumiringa gwa. So tunashukuru sana school ya Nduru asoko receive mwanafunzi na tunashukuru sana. Ntegete kurwa mabaga guchia se CDF manager and then lastly ngema mumu abari baga kwane and then from there manya go sieka. Karibu sana ndugu.
Mbiamono.
Wana ukwana on behalf of the member of parliament.
Yes, Mbiamono Kakasungura. Igonte twaka Mbiamono story ekarakwaro cyo mwana obere isiko kinga kichintambe kanyara kunyumurika. Momo jumbe naraka yarora kigima. Igonte twakwana ngo mwana oyo kur form 1 paka wana asaikire mujumbe narobero kumwaka na school fees. Iga select kimakosa no bali mumba manyete. Lakini nende kero mushimwa roche naye gwakorire soko nyara mujumbe otebire tomorente school. Ne school principal twanyoriro muya ochaga iga omo receive na ndo apologize tama the story ye mwana oyo bono tari gochigo save school fees nonya omoshimo osoro na wati ngendo ngo osoro care club iga gosomia bana kur form 1 pake university omwana oyo bono muna ukoraga gweto chi university na ndo mwana omungaini iga konyore B+ nesenge njago seli wokorra ogura sini na senge njogo seli wakobera isiko gaki lakini bono muna gweta ochi university baade to komo mpaka university na hanya sai gatwancheire turi bia na ndamurigerie meromo igono mwana mungaini sana ontete kwirari bageri ntayo mwishimi waito soro ambaye ni chief motembia mono ndete gote Kakasungura obero kumureka mangana manga se bosongo yeito igao korega singia na ndeke nderabo kera ntokumanya abantu baito make use of internet echi simi cheito na ni umanye bintu bigendeta abantu muna bachandikete Kakasungura ndete gwakera mbia mono story ntwaja kumanya bono ndwaje kumanyiso mwana oseliwe.
Thank you so much. Na eno rubune principal.
Principal wote no arega mbia mano.
Kaka ekerango kora chi story na other constituencies ababunge bagwa kembuna bakagango barwaninde siasa. Je kaka tingo nyara kuburi siasa. Jero mondo kore gase paka Kisumu. Tima tiko sono president nda jemburi. Wono mondo kateanga onko murwaninde segi. I want to thank you mheshimiwa. Okoyena matembia mono. We have appreciated o clear areas chia form 3 chance pina ne robereka gwakana. Na tegetenda ama mumu abo you be brief na ndoke emotions wakambia mono tu. Thank you.
Tangan principal school engimana abarimu na Kakasungura na manager na ire nerimbia mono asenjo ribagiri nyasa twanje ritanga nyasa tanga ere no muyechinga kichonsi na kero kimejana na kero kiobia so na ire nerimbia mono obugaro botu ikira nyasa so timbu adia mange ngaketo mugano ne muyigwete gocha na beri ngotene na nyasa na ndi na aruri okoboko kwa nyasa nyasa ta amore meri chinga kichekero chiki so kwetera Kakasungura na nje na beri ngoriye ri binta gokora na nje kumbe na bero yo mobo oyo nyasa yo omondeterete nyasa ta ngana gotumira musomba kakose senu gumono asiga sia gokora gusi ingija so yo minto mwe osoro asengenjo atenini na inche mwana tari okwende yaye gaiga mwana yani nimefurahia sana asiga sio mpia gokora na nyasa mura na ndagende ko moyo na ndi ngo wochinde sana nanje tukokonya abanafunzi nanje tuko support ya abanafunzi egasi osoro nkora mono na go support ya abanafunzi aso montori akonyire gusi yaito ninje aso go support omwana ne skuru ya Nduru ngimani nyanje kwa sababu omwana obuna acheta na yaga kunyagoja kasio sana na ndo mwana mbiye skuru mbiyere na nyasaba sese ni mwezi principal wano mwana asama waka principal kulingana na principal yure story ye na yanje na yure biyanga na chabwa to mwana oyo biya no mwana nera karumo kitimbu atia mange gendo nda batigere Psalms 41 na omogo somo na bategereri na intu na botonga toya some tomento moyo togendere gokonya abandu bari batabwati musese ni gusa mono timbu atia mange.
Thank you. In fact, ina alikuwa boring anga kiosora ara konyo because he got it from the other side. Lakini agantabinga kaka inche ngo konya ndonsi talia constituency ya Neyoka is beyond borders. So we want to thank you so much. aso clear fees ya form 3 na into twakane 41000 kaka nganje to kore binton camera etwachangete 70000 Kenyan shillings etwapangete nga 30000 twakane cha form 3 before mheshimiwa taranga kiresimi na 40000 cha next year na kana 41 igo balance mwe derenga 30000 so chiba say jo ndate go deposit ya same pesa ya mama mwabo mwanafunzi right now ya confirm ochinyorire na tebete na kabesete chibese getebiombe na bachiko mokonya kwenda gwakana na bintu binde ne wiki ya wanafunzi bande mbaro na ine nabwato muchango bu mwanafunzi yore nyoreta accident ya wiki ye so na bachiko mokonya kurani some other activities ekyo chira mokonye so tegete gutomera chibese John camera so that namba ya mpesa timbu ati ya safari koma ya teri mbu ati mbekera ho chachira hapo zimeno ye bwata message kego jango tatebiore ntegete nkuaniga in public mwanafunzi yoyo tumekuacha shuleni hakuna kuenda nyumbani tena usome tunataka B+ and above. I'll be proud mami akinipigia simu next time kukupeleka university. I'll be proud. Si ulisikia tumepeleka mtoto mwingine Jomo Kenyatta University? Yeah, so want to get a B+ and above so that tukupeleka university pamoja tuimbe. Itakuwa vizuri na Mungu atawabariki. Ama shabiki tabo songo vibes sababu sibami into inona bantaba ya story twayeka yesterday and within just one night twachangire fees ya erire nyasaba siseni nyasaba mentere timore merwa principal wagwa na alipa kana ruru muntu miya omoyo yogendere noro igaro mopore meta bantu basi yari baraba pore otosomerike bungo so wendele na huyo moyo sago siseni otolendere nyarukeyega uchimutuntu na gukwa na yande chibasi cheikire
kaka nime na nyorire chibese amasabiki yonse bari mwakorete gasi na ino mose seni umono na ndimo andire kutusabira
yes
Nashukuru.
Thank you so much. Biamono.
Mheshimiwa aseseniwe.
Biamono.
Biamono sana.
Aseseniwe.
Biamono.
Hot TV.
Biamono sana.
We thank God.
Thank you so much. Biamono.
Baba, take heart. Nyasaye noanga. Msichana, utie bidii. Yes, but I'll take care of you.
Thank you. Nyasaye oyo. Biamono.